Optimizing Mailchimp campaigns for deliverability is crucial if you want to ensure your emails actually make it to your audience's inbox instead of their spam folder. In this video, I'm going to show you some powerful strategies you can implement right now to boost your email deliverability using Mailchimp, making sure your messages get noticed and don't get lost. First thing, ensure your sender reputation is strong. Mailchimp provides a reputation dashboard that gives you insights into how your emails are performing. The better your reputation, the higher your chances of getting your emails delivered. You can monitor complaints, bounces, and unsubscribes, and if you notice a negative trend, it's time to take action. Next thing, clean your email list regularly. A healthy, updated email list will drastically improve your deliverability. Remove invalid email addresses, low engagement subscribers, and duplicates. Mailchimp makes it easy to automatically clean your list, but you can also manually scrub your contacts. This is important because if you're constantly sending emails to non-responsive or fake email addresses, Mailchimp will start flagging your campaigns as low quality. The third thing, segment your email list. By sending targeted emails to specific groups, you can drastically improve engagement rates. Segment based on factors like location, purchase behavior, or engagement history. When you send relevant content to the right people, you'll not only increase your open rates, but also your chances of being marked as spam decrease. The fourth thing, avoid spammy language in your emails. Things like excessive punctuation, all caps words, or overuse of certain keywords can trigger spam filters. Be mindful of your subject lines and body copy. Keep it clean, professional, and make sure you're not sounding too sleazy or pushy. The goal is to sound like a trusted sender, not like someone trying to sell something aggressively. The fifth thing, use authentication protocols like SPF and DKIM. These are security standards that tell email services your emails are coming from a trusted source. When Mailchimp uses these protocols correctly, it ensures that your email campaigns are not mistaken for spam. You can set these up with your email provider or domain host, and Mailchimp provides easy-to-follow guides to walk you through the process. Next, pay attention to sending frequency and timing. Mailchimp gives you insights into when your audience is most likely to open your emails. Don't overwhelm your subscribers with too many emails, but also don't let too much time pass between campaigns. Consistency is key to building a positive relationship with your subscribers, and that means maintaining your email frequency at a level that feels natural for your audience. The seventh thing, avoid using large attachments. Instead, try linking to files on your website or a cloud storage service. Some email services might flag emails with large attachments as spam, so keep things light and easy to download. Lastly, test and analyze your campaigns. Mailchimp offers robust analytics that can show you how your emails are performing. Use A/B testing to try different subject lines, content types, and sending times. Learn from your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. This will allow you to constantly improve your email deliverability and engagement over time. To wrap up, remember that optimizing your Mailchimp campaigns for deliverability is a process that requires attention to detail and ongoing maintenance. But by following these tips, you'll be able to drastically increase your chances of landing in your audience's inbox. And before you go, don't forget, we've partnered with Mailchimp to offer you an exclusive extended free trial. Just click the link below to start using the software with our special bonuses. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.